So right here I have open an existing file which was created from a basic template file. But what I'd like to show you is a few things that come with that basic template file, and then how to maybe open a template that has a little bit more added into it so that you don't have to load it into your drawing or your model every single time. So before we leave this page, this basic template file, we can look at our project browser and we can look at the views that are available. So this one comes already with a level 1 and level 2, even though the only thing I've created in here is a 1 level building right here. It also has a site plan. It comes with ceiling plans, some 3D views, and your elevations. And then if you come up here, and if I were to begin to draw, if I click on the architecture tab at the top of the ribbon, and then I click on, say, the component panel, then in my properties palette right here, the components that are available to drop into the drawing will appear here. And the top one on the list is a desk. But if I click the little down arrow, I can scroll through all the other options. So if you see the little gray line, the gray line is telling you what the object is that you could place into your file, in that case a desk. And then there's different dimensions of that same object loaded underneath it. So in here we only have a few things: a desk, a pattern, parking space, some trees, a variety of trees, a metal circular support, end panel, wood termination rectangular panel, and some trim. And that's it. That's all that's in this file. And so anything else you might want to add, any different type of furniture or items, then you would have to load into this file yourself. So I thought we would go back to, we can either click the home button to go back home here, and we can go to file new or model new. So let's create a new file, and it's going to offer for you these templates. And again, they're in imperial and in metric. Imperial is feet and inches, metric being meters and centimeters. So then there's the one that I had just shown you was this one, Imperial Architectural Template. So instead of clicking that one, let's see if we can find something a little bit more detailed. So we're going to click the Browse button. And Revit takes us right to this folder, which I have downloaded, which came with my basic download of Revit. And it's showing you that there's various other English template files to choose from. There's some commercial ones. There's some for electrical and mechanical, plumbing. There's some that have details that relate to precast concrete detailing. And there's some structural ones, but the one we want is the residential default. So we're going to click residential and say open. We're going to start it as a new project. We're not making a template in this case, or you could in the future make a template if you wanted to set yourself up for repeat drawings in the future. But for today is a new project. So we click OK. It comes back into Revit, and then it gives us this. So if you can see, like the first floor plan that I had on there that we started with is still present. And I can click on that tab. It's still active. If I hold my mouse over it, that title of that drawing is called Modern Garage Floor Plan Level 1. And then this is a separate project, first floor. And it's called, because I haven't named it yet or saved it, it's called Project 3, Floor Plan, First Floor. So there's these 4 little boxes that appear on the first floor plan, and the four boxes refer to north, east, south, and west. And if you were to click on these little arrows, it would take you to the elevation view. And in the elevation view, it's already preloaded a few different heights. And this is a datum element called the floor levels.